The core theme for Alone was a robot on a colony ship, living by itself, taking care of everyone for thousands of years potentially. What would it do? And so we allowed it this idea of having the robot kind of be able to look at the memories or the dreams of the humans as they're sleeping. And we thought this would evoke an emotion in the robot of wanting to have a companion. Once we kind of set on that no one can survive alone, everyone needs company, that really kind of kicked off the rest of the story. We had some certain parameters that were set in stone. We had a lot of people in the assets department and no riggers, so we had to accommodate the story, which meant a simple character, a character that couldn't speak and didn't have muscles or a face. We had to come up with other ways to allow this character to emote.
For creatives, even though often we want to have the whole wide world open, actually having a focus is a gift. And it allowed us to really push our creativity outside the box, to think about how we can tell a new and unique and emotionally impactful story.
On your average animated film, there are 11 departments, from modeling the character, designing the character, animating them, lighting them. Everyone's working together at the same time. Nothing's ever kind of handing over from one department to the next and then letting go of it. It's a great part of the process that the students learn about because it allows them to understand that they're part of kind of like a big organism. So anything they do has a ripple effect to other departments.
The biggest logistical challenge of the film was almost certainly the first shot in the film.
The team hated me for this one, but it was this wonderful shot where we see the whole galaxy reflected in the front of the spaceship, and we push in through the glass of the window of the spaceship and follow the robot as it travels through the spaceship to watering a plant. To go from big to small, anytime you do that, it is quite computationally heavy. So when we transition from the outside to the inside, we have a cut and we set it up as two different environments.
Not only was it just a gigantic shot to render, the logistical challenge of figuring out how we were going to have a camera moving through glass while communicating it was hitting a boundary, how to time the camera moving with the robot. And there were just a lot of moving parts that we all really had to be conscious of all of the other departments working in tandem to get it just right.
It's magic. It's absolutely beautiful. It's everything I wanted it to be. I mean, the scale is just beautiful.
There were a few moments that really captured our hearts in the art department. For example, the scene where the main character realizes that he needs to make a sacrifice. There is a red light coming from the reactor, and it means like the ship is in danger, the passengers are in danger, and the whole thing is going to shut down because he was selfish. But at the same time, we see the friend robot at the back in a blue light. That's when the little robot realizes as well, like it's going to be left alone. For me, it was really playing on those conflicting emotions that, do I sacrifice myself? Do I sacrifice the life I created? When I saw the final movie together, I cried when, the robot makes the decision, and then the reveal at the end that they found a solution to stay together. Those moments stayed with me.
It's a great story that connects with people. This couldn't be more proud of it. It was a finalist at the Sydney Film Festival, which was great. It had the most awards of any film that we've done to date.
We knew that we created something very special, but none of us expected that it would be that successful. So we are very proud of it.